Hey, how's it going? My name's Nicole and I make Dungeons & Dragons, miniatures, and other stuff. I had an entirely different plan for what I was going to do today, but now I can't stop thinking about Kenku, and I will not be able to make anything else until a Kenku has been made. So that's what today is. I'm making a Kenku miniature. If you don't know what Kenku are, that's okay. They're like these crow people that don't have wings because they were cursed to not have wings. Let's just get to it. So his little armature is done. Look how tiny he is! My little Kenku. So I have him kind of like crouching on a rock, and his hands look like that because his two little daggers, and his head looks like that because that's going to be his beak. So I'm just going to bake this so that all the wire stays in place, and yeah. Alright, let's go! I look different because it's a different day. So I think he's actually done for now. I was going to give him a face, but I kind of like it with the cloak over top of his face, and I think that's what the picture of most Kenku look like anyways. So he's very on brand. I'm not actually going to paint him right now, and I'm not making him a base right now, because I have other plans for him, and I'll tell you that at the end of the video. He's done! Okay, he's out of the oven, and I'm going to show you right now. So there we go. You know, for a quick miniature study, I think he turned out really cool, and I do like him. I like his cloak and his little daggers. Now, the reason that I did not make him a base, and the reason I didn't paint him, is because I'm going to try to do a two-part mold for this. I ordered some silicone and some resin, and I really want to try to make a copy of this. So yeah, that's my plan with this. I've never made a 2-part mold, so I'm going to try, and hopefully it works out. Hopefully it's cool. Yeah, I will paint this guy eventually, but keep an eye out for the video where I try to do a 2-part mold, because I'm sure we're gonna learn a lot, because I've never done it before. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you want to see more of my miniatures, my website's NicoleBruceArt.com. And if you want to see more videos, then hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you, bye!